Hello everyone, welcome to this week's new releases. If you didn't know, this is the 8-year anniversary of Scribble Co. So every year I come out with an anniversary kit that's like a little bundle, and I think the past couple of years have been doing a shop sale. So let's go in to the bundle first, but I will leave everything down below because I'm bound to forget something. I'll put the price, the time, all of the information down below, and I'll also post it on Instagram for y'all. So this year I wanted to do like a little bit of a smaller bundle, but have all of the things that y'all love. And I think that this like theme idea might have been Jess's idea, Kittenish Jess, and this is exclusive art by Kittenish Jess. So I'm very, very excited. I think it's so cute. She said it's one of her favorite sets, if not her favorite set she's ever drawn. And let's go ahead and get into it. This is the 8-year set. It is very Y2K themed, which has been very trendy recently, and also has really bright, fun colors, which I think is great for summer, but very perfect for any time. We'll go ahead and get into it. There is a kit, there is a foil bundle, there is vinyls, and there is doodles. So this is a mystery sized kit along with an extra page with some extra fun colors. So I'll go ahead and flip through every single page for y'all. So I love the fashion options in these sets. I think that they're so cute. I love the like sparkly like blow up chair, everyone around that time 1-in-1, the Blackberry, the Skittles, the planner, the Game Boy, all the different makeup items and jelly bracelets, a slushie, and then Lizzie McGuire on the TV. So cute. Oh, and there's foil quotes too, so there's that as well. And then like a really cute like planner kind of bedroom scene. Adorable. I love it. I love the colors. I just think it's so fun. So the extra full boxes, this is in the old format. Like other mystery kits, this was printed way before the old format even came to fruition. So this one, May, June, and August are all in the old format, but still good. And there's lots of pages in here, lots of items. So this has the full box here, which comes in different skin tone options that says Scribble Co. Totally awesome mail, and it's in like a fun little like Y2K inspired font. I love the patterns in this. I think they're so cool and trendy. And again, the colors are just everything. You have the glitter headers, the half boxes, the little things, the pattern little things page. Then you have that box there with the really fun bottom washi. I'm obsessed with it. This page here is like the mini kit page, but I wanted to include some of the other colors that are in the set if you wanted to make it a little bit more bright and fun and rainbowy. Here are the extra boxes here. So you have like a Juicy Couture inspired SPC like jumpsuit. You have the Game Boy Advance and then 2 different DVDs there, Bring It On and Legally Blonde. And then here you have a Bratz pillow, a Tamagotchi, and then like the little fuzzy planner, which is so cute. And then the extra color, which is the pattern, because I was obsessed with that pattern. I think the yellow is so fun. You have an extra fashion option, different skin tone option for that box there. And then you have this one here as well, which is so cute with her fluffy pen with the 15mm bottom washi strip. So that is the sticker kit. And I believe it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 pages. So one more page than the normal mystery ultimate size. Then there is the foil bundle, which I did a special one for this set, and it's very like inspired. So you have the like aliens, butterflies, peace signs, lips, like little flowers, and it's very like Y2K kind of 90s 2000s vibes. And then the glitter header overlays are just these really pretty like twinkle design along with this box here. And then you have a stroke box. So this is in hollow. All of the foiled items are in hollow, so you get the 2 boxes with the full boxes and the glitter header overlays, the 2 boxes of bougie boxes, the icons and scripts, and then you get the fun headers, which would be so cute, sprinkled in, the deco bits, the date numbers, which are in that like very fun font, and then the bottom washi, which has those daisies, and then the sparkles for the confetti portion. So that is the foil bundle. There are also 2 foiled quotes in here, which will come to the shop, and other foils as well. So this says, "Oh snap, raised on Britney Spears and Bratz." This one says, "You can't sit with us," and then "That's hot." And then this one is "As if, what, like it's hard, hey now, this is what dreams are made of." And this outfit has major Polly Pocket vibes. And hollow, Then there is also the Doodles, which are super cute and match the set. And then there are 3 different vinyls all on clear paper. If I can get it to come up. They're all on clear paper and in a variety of sizes. You might just have to trust me that it's on clear. Come on. There it is. Oh, nope. Y'all know this is a struggle. Okay. So they're on clear vinyl, so they are waterproof. So you have this one here, which is so cute. I am obsessed with her outfit. She's adorable. And then also the Bratz pillow and the Tamagotchi, which I just thought were adorable. So that is everything in the bundle. I'll leave the pricing down below, along with the time that it will be available, and that is the bundle. And then we will also have 20% off of the whole shop, which we rarely do sales. The next sale that we probably will do will be somewhere around Black Friday. But if you want to pick anything up, that is the time. And it will also be a 20% discount on this bundle as well. So definitely stock up on all of your favorites. And I hope that y'all love this year's bundle. I am very excited about it. I'm going to be using it for this week that is currently happening in my planner because I 100% cannot wait to use it. But I hope that y'all love it, and I will talk to y'all in my next video.